Welcome back to your WebQuest 5th graders. Today you will be peer revising, adding quotes, and rewriting the summaries you wrote yesterday. So to begin with the peer revising, you are going to be using the ARMS method. So you will begin with adding sentences or words. You will remove unneeded words or unneeded sentences. You will move words that you think could be changed in the word placement, or you can change a sentence placement. And then you will substitute words for other words or change sentences. Once you have finished peer revising, return the summaries to their owner. And now that you have your summaries back, I want you to open up your article that you wrote about. When you have your article open, I want you to reread it and find quotes that you think would add details to your summary. So yesterday I wrote this with you in the mini lesson, and this is my original summary. The United States and Russia were in a race to see who could land on the moon first. This race was known as the space race. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first two men to step foot on the moon. They placed an American flag on the moon to show they had won the race. And here's my revised and added quotes from the article. The United States was in a race with Russia to see who could land on the moon first. This race was called the space race. The United States named the mission Apollo 11. We had won this race as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first two men to step foot on the moon on July 20th, 1969. The article says Armstrong proclaimed these famous words: "That's one small step for man, but one giant leap for mankind." Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin placed an American flag on the moon to show that the United States had won the space race. The article tells us that the Apollo 11 crew returned to Earth on July 24th, 1969. So now it's your turn to go. So make sure you peer revise, and you can even give suggestions or add some ideas from when you revised a paper or added quotes, and just let me know if you have any questions.